Ki Regional Committee jong Kariboy bat West Khasi Hills ki bejurib akabede bat uput usam jong gejala Meghalaya bat Assam. Haka pratrek no apra iklalej ban IT ki Kaiphod jong ki hau menteri rang ba gejala Conrad kongkal sangma. Ka Regional Committee jong Kariboy hapok gejingelam uba Preston Tunsong bat na West Khasi Hills hapok gejingelam uba Renekton leng dok tongkhar. Iklalej ban IT ki Kaiphod hau Conrad kongkal sangma rengkat gejingidan lang ki MLA bat ki Bor Penyat District. Uba Preston Tunsong uloong baka komiti kala IT ka Kaiphod hadian bakala pendep ki kam kat kum bala bensyat haka. Hendrai shim latre ban batai ni thu ki ai ki baka komiti kala ajing mot chak sorkar. Nagaliang uba Renekton leng dok tongkhar uloong baka komiti kala ban IT ka Kaiphod chak sorkar jela bat ukermen scam baka sorkar jela bat ka sorkar Assam kinshim kiano mardor haka ban Pynbeit yau put usam. Uloong ru bahag jinge Pynbeit yo put usam kan omdan satya kataka give and take policy ne gejing shim bat jing ai jaka namar babuan kim sngo tenat. Habay kran bat menteri rangba ke jelau Conrad kongkal sangma uloong budang siyo pediang ya ki Kaiphod na ki artli ki komiti kumta on ompatla banya thu gejing ai jing mut jengki namar ba ompat yo berpulih benya ya ki Kaiphod. Uloong hadian bu ulayo pediang ya barok ki Kaiphod na ki Regional Committee on sa kmi benya abhaya ki bat on se selok ru bat ki babon balang syua bani ekran bak sorkar Assam mana Pynbeit no ya upod usam.
Well, I'm happy to inform to all of you that today we have submitted the report of the regional committee constituted by both the government of Assam and government of Meghalaya, and because in the chief minister's meeting they decided that the report should be submitted separately. The government of Assam, the regional committee from Assam, they will submit directly to the chief minister of Assam, and then the regional committee from Meghalaya will submit the report to Chief Minister of Meghalaya. So accordingly, the regional committee of Ribhoi district, we have just submitted the report to the Honorable Chief Minister. See, I think it is not appropriate for me to tell you about laniban ong bangan batay ya ka detail ya report ka jongi. Namar kani ka de report kami submit katkum ka terms of reference kaba nakaliang jong ka baro angut ki chief minister klairai te ngi nakaliang jongi ngilai submit bat ka basa kalau mentah sa kini ki angut ki chief minister bakin study ka ni report na daw ya mentah hinga namla ban batai detail ka ek report ka ba ngi submit nakaliang committee until unless nakaliang kami jong ki chief minister jongi na Meghalaya but chief minister jong Assam bakin le ekabadon kam.
So can we say that the areas of differences can be resolved within this month?
See, for that I think the best the best question can be put, maybe it can be asked to the Honorable Chief Minister, not to me. Because from our side is what I'm telling you, the regional committee is only, their duty is to inspect and prepare report. Joint inspection has been done, and accordingly the report is just submitted today. So that is our duty to do, and we look forward that both the chief minister will sit down immediately, and ultimately they'll take a decision. See, this is the physical inspection that we made. It is always there. Some of them they may say we prefer to go to Assam. Some of them they will say we will go to Meghalaya. But I'm telling you, as the responsibility of the regional committee is what? We listen to them, and number two, the historical facts has to be there, geographical facts has to be there, ethnicity facts has to be there, and also the willingness of the people has to be there. So these are the criteria where we ultimately submitted a report today. Yes, see, before we going down to meet the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, very soon CM will fix a date, and we will have a consultative meeting with all the stakeholders, and that I think CM will inform you the date, but we will do it as early as possible.
265 pages report we have submitted. So now it depends on the government now to call again for a state level meeting. And of course, we wish all the best to the government to be able again to take up with Assam. And based on the report that we have given, we hope a positive response will be there from both state government to settle the problem that our people in the border are facing. So as of now, I don't want to share the insight of the report, but because the Chief Minister and with the committee again at the state level will check which one that we can disclose and which one we cannot disclose. But the only thing is that I have submitted the report, we have submitted the report, and I think it's very positive towards the people residing in the border area.
According to the recommendation of this committee, will it be an advantage for the state?
Pardon?
Will it be an advantage for the state in terms of...
Well, it is. I hope it will be in the interest of the state, in the interest of the people residing in the borders. So that is the report. It's like that it will be in the interest of the people residing in the border.
So the committees have just, two of the committees have submitted their reports. One is from West Khasi Hills and one is from Ribhoi district. And the committees have just submitted it about an hour back. So obviously I have not been able to go through it. So once the committees, once we go through the entire report, which we will do very, very quickly because we want to call the stakeholders after this. And then we also want to have the meeting with our Assam counterparts after that. So we will be going through these reports very quickly. I must take this opportunity to, of course, thank the entire committee and all the members and the chairperson of the committees who have really worked very, very hard. These are all interior locations, but they have traveled, and I think never in the history of the state has such kind of an exercise been conducted. So it's a very, very great and laudable work that they have done. And as I said, a lot of hard work has gone in, and we will definitely do justice to it by going through it in detail. And then, as I said, further discussing with other stakeholders and taking their opinions within the state, and then further, at the earliest, meet the Assam counterparts and try to take this forward to a logical conclusion. Thank you.